How much does adding solar power to your RV cost? This is one of the most common questions dealers hear from RVers, followed by understanding how solar stacks up financially against other RV power options, particularly shore power and portable generators. If you're wondering the same, then listen on. There is no one-size-fits-all RV solar solution. Campers who only want to operate their basic RV systems will have very different power requirements than those who travel with TVs and household appliances. That said, here are some simple guidelines for selecting and pricing RV solar systems, from small to large. Let's begin with a starter system. Many weekend, off-grid campers start with a minimalist approach and only need limited DC power to operate RV water pumps, fans, lights, and possibly a three-way refrigerator. This setup typically requires a single panel solar kit such as the Overlander by Go Power. The cost is approximately $800. If you pair this with 200 amp hours of AGM batteries, this will add another $700 to the cost. With the many benefits of lithium, you may choose to upgrade your battery option to 100 amp hours of lithium, which would add $1,000. This basic, single-panel rooftop system can offset the uses of DC power draws for a family of 4 over a weekend, with room to spare. This system is also easily expandable, so you can add more solar and battery power as your needs grow. Altogether, the estimated cost of a basic rooftop DC power system will run you about $1,500 plus. Next, let's look at a mid-level power system. Campers looking to power laptops or use household appliances will need to convert DC energy to the power similar to that found in the home. This conversion means adding a power inverter to the basic setup. Inverters range in size and quality. A basic power inverter can be integrated into your RV or trailer's electrical system, so you're able to use your outlets. When buying an inverter, it's important to keep in mind that you should always size to the largest item you plan on running. If you're looking to simply charge your laptop, cell phone, run a small tabletop fan, or some string lights, you can easily run these on a 700-watt inverter, which would be about $400. However, if you can't live without your microwave, toaster, or coffee maker, you will likely need a pure sine wave inverter no less than 2,000 watts. This will be a bit higher, at $800. Incorporating AC power allows for more flexibility and creature comforts. Keep in mind that when adding these power draws, it is important to monitor battery power levels as you use more devices. The estimated cost for this mid-level system, consisting of a basic rooftop solar kit and power inverter, starts around $2,000 and up. Let's now move to a large system. With one of these, you can operate power-hungry appliances such as residential fridges. Full-timers, or power users, who want all the conveniences of home, will need a robust rooftop solar installation, paired with a large battery bank of no less than 500 Ah of lithium battery power. Replacing the power drawn by the average residential refrigerator or RV air conditioner requires a lot of solar. We recommend no less than 800 watts of solar for this type of installation. For RVers who simply can't live without their air conditioner, a hybrid generator/solar would be the budget-friendly way to work solar into the mix. Upgrading a stock converter/charger with a 3-in-1 inverter charger with a power share function, like the Go Power IC3000, allows you to use a smaller generator for less time to recharge RV batteries after running heavy loads. The estimated cost of an advanced rooftop AC/DC power system will run $5,000 and up. Another option may be completely portable, plug-and-play systems. Not every RVer wants to drill holes in their roof or go through the process of installing a solar system. For these campers, or those with a limited amount of roof space, a portable solar kit may be the answer. Portable solutions are evolving quickly and deliver increased efficiency and utility while reducing overall weight and footprint. A typical 100-watt portable solar kit starts around $500. This investment is ideal for campers who want to get a taste of solar without the commitment of a permanent mount. These kits are also great for supplementing rooftop systems. However, you would also need to invest in a proper battery bank. As mentioned earlier, 200 Ah of AGM batteries is a good place to start. The cost of a portable DC power system paired with a battery bank can start at $1,200 and go up from there. In the next video, we will explore cost versus quality and what this can mean to the lifespan of your investment.